So I have only made a few shots kay murag late na ko naabot. But I am only going to use this one and this one. Okay. This is 1783 and 1787. 1783 and 1787. Let's open it in Photoshop or ACR first. So first of all, profile, Adobe Landscape. Let's check the optics. Remove chromatic aberration, use profile correction is already checked. Let's go back to basic. Let's add a vibrance of about 15 for both. Okay, let's start with this one. If you look at the histogram, there are less to no whites here. So I think I will add some white. Bring that over there to the right. Okay. And then bring down the highlights. Kaya puti ra ni kayo da. Kini nga portion yun. I think that's it for that photo. This one, akong purpose why I selected this is because of this highlights nga ni sa tetrapods because ani nga time na sa lipod sa sun nga clouds nga rin no. So there's still some highlights nga rin sa ubos pero wala na kayo sa babaw. So I will just use this for the highlights. So if we are going to blend this using the light and blending mode, we have to see to it that this area sa yang dagat, especially nga rin dool sa may highlights, should be darker compared to this base image. Kay og dili, brush na to, maputi o niyang kilid. So atong buhaton is, ato ni siyang ingit-ngitan kamay nga rin. Let's see what we can do. Let's bring down the highlights. Put dehaze gamay. Maybe bring down the exposure. Okay. Kasi may highlights gamay. Okay, something like this. Compare na to. At bangit-ngitan gamay. Bring down na to ang whites. Contrast ay. Na, contrast. Okay, this one. And then we will open both of this in Photoshop. Okay. So this will be our base image. So from this, Control A, Control C, and let's go to this photo and then Control V. Okay. And then after that, first let us align the two photos. Edit, auto align. Then after that, let us change the blending mode to lighten. So from here, tanaw na to ang mga tetrapods. Boom. Ay highlights, no? And it is not changing the sky. Oh, naasad. So atong buhaton is, if we only want to apply these highlights here, we need a mask. I'll click to have a black mask and then using a white brush, let's bring the highlights back. Okay. So mo itong gibuhat ganina nga itong gipa-darker ang usa ka ang other photo nga rin because kung ato ning i-brush ma-appeal to kaputi nga ning area sa kuan kilid aning tetrapods. Ngari sad nasa to'y highlight diri ay. Kini. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, so this portion sa dagat is puti ra kayo, no? Nagtanaw na to sa photo, diretso yung mata diri oh. So ato nang tagaan og remedy. So let's go to camera raw filter. Let's use masking using a radial gradient here. So let's say we bring down the highlight. Okay. Then let's just try to match this color here. Kini nga colors gani nga mura siya og reflection no, a color. Let's see if we can do that. Let's put some yellow. Let's change it. By the way, this gradient will also affect this area. So atong buhaton is see this red mask here. It will also affect this area. So atong buhaton is we are going to subtract a linear gradient here para dili na siya ma-appeal. Okay. So now ang mask or ang atong adjustment will only be applied here. Tinadiha. Okay, let's go back here. Let's put some yellow, maybe a little bit of magenta, and some saturation. Okay, let's try this color. Let's click somewhere here. Okay, so kini mura gwapo ni dol nga rin. Ito nga ito gamayng magenta kana or here. Okay, okay. And also, I don't like this tanitangalon. Let's use okay, let's try using the color effects pro contrast. Meron. And then brilliance and warmth. Perceptual saturation, maybe about 10%. What else? Color contrast. That's too much. So maybe somewhere here. And one more. Um, Skylight filter. Kana. Okay. There. So we start from here and then that. So there is some mistake here sa composition. It looks murag left heavy siya no. And kini nga portion niya re, the top of the tetrapods are very close to the horizon. No? So we don't want that. It should not be touching the horizon. Although it's not touching, it's very close. So you want it to be well above the horizon or maybe below the horizon. So it so happened that my tripod is fully extended, so I cannot make this one lower. So maybe the solution for this on site was to and shoot low, and this part of the top of this tetrapods will be above the horizon. But I think the solution for this is we'll do some cropping. Let's say we crop that out para mawala na siya. And then now, there's some kind of a balance now, no? Na yung mga structure nga rin. Then we have sa left, and then sa right, we have some of this and this spots of land here and the clouds. But if we are going to crop this like this, mawagtang ni nga rin nga portion sa cloud, nga maunti akong giapas. So, akong buhaton ani is Control J and then Control, I will select this part here, clouds, and then Control T for transform, and then ato na siyang stretch na rin padong ubos. Yeah. Okay. Before nato siya i-crop, let us check the horizon. Yung mura mag nagtakilid. Yeah, wala dyan siya mas straight, oh. Okay, so ruler from here to here. Straighten and then crop. And convert to web size. Butangan o asa rin itong watermark.